Hello everyone in YouTube land. This is Don Mowdy with another Mach 1 progression video. This video is about um, my gas cap. Not a very exciting video, but this is something I wanted to address for a while now. This gas cap, or this gas cover, it's not the cover that came with the car. Obviously the one that came with the car is body color. Someone put this on there. I think the Bullets have these, and this is a Ford piece, so I think it came off of a Bullet, which there's nothing wrong with this. I mean, it is considered an upgrade because it's not factory. Oh, and disregard this fuel cell here. This fuel cell has nothing to do with anything. But anyway, I wanted to replace it with something, but I didn't notice that there was anything that caught my eye that I wanted to absolutely have. So what I did was I went ahead and went for all the marbles, and I got the gas cap that I thought, you know, I've always wanted, I've always liked and admired, and I've seen it on a couple of other cars, mostly like exotic cars, like the Gone in 60-second car. I like that gas cap that's on there. So anyway, I wanted something like that, and I couldn't think of anything else to get but this gas cap. I know it's a little over the top, you know, but to me, I like those Challenger gas caps. You know, they're kind of like this style, except they're not anywhere near as bulky. But you know, hell, if I was gonna put a Dodge gas cap on the Mustang, so I got this one instead, and I had to do a little modifying in order to fit this on here, because it didn't fit this hole that it had before. So I had to make some kind of a ring, and also to secure it onto the body. So what I did was I got a spacer, of all things, spacer just like this, a wheel spacer, and I cut out all the middle part of it so that I could reach in there and get the gas cap out. You know, that's my temporary solution for now. And I don't know if you can tell, but there is a ring around there. And what I did was I secured it with a bunch of these little wing nut things. I'm not sure if I have an example. Here's one. These little wing nut things. You know, I put them all, I drilled all the, measured, and drilled a bunch of holes everywhere. Some on the ring, some on the actual body. But then that's what I did. I pulled them all through. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend all these, bend them down, so that there's no way that anyone can get to this gas cap unless they were in the trunk and took them off one by one. Painstakingly took them off one by one. And this is not a finished product. As you can see over here on the edges, it's still like exposed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal it up with silicone right there on these little holes, and then I'm going to have like a rubber gasket all the way around. I'm not sure if I'm going to use some of that AutoZone trim, which is like ready to be stuck on, or if I'm going to use some vacuum lines, cut them in half, and then just seal it all the way around. But as far as install, this thing is pretty much installed. It's on there super tight. But I don't know, what do y'all think? Is that too much gas cap for one car? I don't know. Well, stay tuned and find out, because I have a lot more mods to do to this car visual wise until it's done. But stay tuned for part 2 of this. This is Don Mowdy, and I'm out.